In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share Microsoft Planner link. Sharing a planner link is a simple way to send someone directly to the plan you are working on, without needing to explain where to click or how to find it. This is especially helpful when you want teammates to open the exact board view you are using, so everyone stays on the same page. First, open Microsoft Planner in your web browser and go to the plan you want to share. In this example, it is a project management plan, but the steps are the same for any plan. Make sure you are fully inside the plan, where you can see your tasks and columns on the board. If you are switching between different plans, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct one before copying anything, so you do not accidentally share the wrong workspace. Once you are on the plan page, look near the top area of the planner interface for the option that contains the sharing and link tools. In many layouts, this is positioned in the header area of the plan. Click the highlighted option in that top section. This opens the menu where Planner provides actions related to the plan, including the link you can share. After the menu opens, find and click the option labeled Copy Link to Plan. As soon as you click it, Planner copies the plan's direct URL to your clipboard. There may not be a big confirmation message, so it is a good habit to pause for a second to make sure the click registered. Now the link is ready to paste wherever you need it, such as in a Teams chat, an email, or a document. When someone opens that link, they will be taken straight to the plan, as long as they have access within your organization. If they cannot open it, it usually means they need to be added to the Microsoft 365 group or the plan permissions need to allow them in. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.